Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to edit text in an image in Canva, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I will come over here, then I will just click to the create. Once I click over here, then I will upload my thumbnail in here. So I'm going to upload this one. As you can see, I already uploaded here. I will just click to the edit image. Once I click over here, then eventually I will get this image like this way. So I want to edit the text, but as you can see, it is not easy to grab this one. So here into the Canva we have couple of options, like you can see the grab. Like if you are using the premium plan, then you can easily use that one in here, but if not, you will not able to use the premium, then there is a couple of other options we have. Then here you can see this is the options. You just need to click over here, click, and then you just need to select your text in here. I'm going to select that one, and then the A also, similarly this one. So if you want to delete those, you are able to delete this way, and if you want to change the color, you can change it also. Like if I click to the adjust, now if I change it as it I want, now you will be able to see that one that I already changed the image into the text. So in this way, like here, now open this one, and now eventually you can see I already changed this image from like text from the images. So this is really helpful if you are using the Canva. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.